Unlock hidden wealth with AZON. Boost your income now. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on boosting your income with the AZON Wealth System. Discover proven strategies to enhance your financial journey today. Firstly, understanding the AZON Wealth System is crucial. It's a powerful tool designed for individuals looking to maximize their earning potential through effective online methods. The first strategy is leveraging affiliate marketing. By promoting high-demand products, you can earn significant commissions, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Next, explore the potential of dropshipping. This low-risk business model allows you to sell products without the need for inventory, generating steady cash flow. Consider creating a digital product. Share your knowledge or skills by developing ebooks, courses, or guides, tapping into a global market eager for new insights. Optimize your online presence with effective SEO techniques. This increases visibility and attracts more customers, resulting in higher conversion rates and increased income. Engage with social media marketing to expand your reach. Consistent, strategic posting can build a loyal audience, enhancing brand awareness and driving sales. Invest in building a strong email list. Direct communication with potential customers can significantly impact sales, offering personalized opportunities to promote your offerings. Finally, continuously educate yourself. Staying updated with market trends and new strategies ensures you remain ahead in the competitive world of online income generation.